What's going on, YouTube? So today we got another simple install. If you see my last video, at the end of it I said my wife got me something for Valentine's Day. Well, it's been here for probably a week now, but I've already opened it. But my wife got me a Guardian bell. This is the Guardian bell from Figurati Designs. See, it's don't know how well you guys are going to see that, if it'll focus at all. I still want to kind of see me, but it's got I just looked at his name. Saint Columbus, the patron saint of motorcyclists. And today we're going to install it on the oil cooler on this 21 Road Glide. And I don't know where I'm going to put that at. Let's see if we can get this cover off here. Here's one side. Well, now I wish I didn't have this thing on the lift, that way I can actually move the wheel. There we go. Now, I don't know how well you all could see what I was doing, but these little rubber grommets are down here in these bottom holes. And I really wish I had this on the ground. I'd punch the hole in that instead of in this flimsy plastic cover. But anyways, those rubber grommets here set in these holes, and this kind of clips up over the top. You pull the top out first, then your bottom will kind of pry out. I may have to get this thing off the lift to put it back on, but we're going to punch a hole
let's get at her
in this plastic cover and mount this bell. I don't have some fancy chest mount so you all can watch me do this, so I'm going to turn you back on whenever I got a hole put in it. Yeah, the joke's wrote itself, didn't it? Alright, so I've got a hole punched in it. You can see it on my forehead there. Damn it. Hole size is a 13/64, in case you were wondering. That's the smallest size that will fit that style of mount that they have for this bell. So let's get the mount on there and then the bell and we will reinstall the oil cooler. Now this comes with like a miniature D-ring to actually hang the bell from, and this little post to put through this hole that I drilled. Now, I know I made sure this something fit. There we go. See, it's a really tight fit. It wasn't that tight. Again, jokes and writing themselves. Simple as that. Now, I think to put this cooler back on, or cover back on, I need to pull off the rubber grommets, put them in the hole independently, and then put the cover back on. So we'll get the bottom. Now hold on. I'm gonna lube those up just a hair. I'm just using a little bit of grease because I haven't. Got several tubes of it. There. That went in much smoother. And there we go. That's it. It's that simple. As long as you're comfortable with drilling a hole and you have a drill, a few drill bits. As long as you're comfortable drilling a hole in a piece of plastic, you can do this install pretty easily. So I think that's going to do it for today. I still need to get a few more things coming for this bike. But I bought a new helmet the other day, so some of the stuff's going to have to wait, unfortunately. But I think one thing I need to order before it's sold out, because I'm pretty sure the only way you can get it now is well, C-amp mount. I'm pretty sure the only way you can get it now is put it in the saddlebag, and I keep a lot of shit in my saddlebags, and I really don't want to have too much in there. So y'all take care. Have a good one.
You guys are still here? What are you still doing here?
Well, as long as you're here, if you want to watch more, there's some videos here, maybe there, maybe there. Hell, they might be up there. I don't know where I'm going to put them at yet. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload, and maybe share the video with a few friends. That way they might like what I do and go ahead and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.